Hello crafty friends, this is Amber with Georgia Paper Crafts. Today I am going to do a double unboxing video because I was very fortunate to get both my Simon Says Stamp monthly kit and the limited edition kit that I ordered in the mail at the same time. So I figured I might as well just do both unboxing videos at the same time. So we'll start with the Simon Says Stamp monthly card kit. This is the October card kit, Thankful Flowers. And to start with, obviously we get our, inspiration sheet that gives us some inspiration on the products that are included and some cards that are made. It also tells you exactly what's there. So let's start with the Simon Says Stamp 6x8 clear stamp set. This is Thankful Flowers. It's got a lovely floral image. We seem to have a lot of floral images this year. Personally, I like them. I know some people don't, but these are fun to color. And of course, I can tell right away I'm going to be using some of this with my metallic watercolors. Looking forward to that. Some big bold statements. You couldn't be more awesome. You're amazing. Thank you. And then some smaller ones that you can use either on the inside or to complement on the outside. It says, I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for everything. I am stronger with your support. Thank you. Just a small note of thanks. I'm beyond grateful. Your kindness will be remembered. Thank you for loving me when I needed it most. You helped me be a better version of myself. I'm so grateful for our friendship, advice, and unconditional love. Very nice. All right, so that's that. And then we've got this is the paper pack, and this is from My Mind's Eye Heritage 6x6 papers. And we get 12 double-sided papers here. Somewhat obviously fall colors in some masculine theme like this plaid. That would be very cute. Some florals. I love the big florals. I can see using that. Houndstooth. Oh, two houndstooth. One green one almost like a rusty color. More floral. Oh, another floral. It's almost like they reversed that with took the black background here, white background here. Very nice. Okay. Then we get our envelopes. You get two regular A2 size envelopes. This is in metallic gold and walnut wood grain. I don't know if you can see the wood grain pattern here. It's cute. And they have self-adhesive stick here to close it. And this is a mini cream. I think this is 3x3 maybe. I'm not exactly sure the size on this, but it's a mini envelope. This one you have to lick. Then you get a die that's included. This is the Thanks die. And it's just a simple, straight thanks. You get some foam adhesive foil. This is Pebbles foil foam letter stickers. Quite a few. You can tell they have quite a bit of dimension. These look pretty nice. You get all the letters, and then of course some numbers and some exclamation points, ampersand, and some other stuff. That's good. Then we get our card stock that comes in the kit, and this time we get one sheet of Nina Desert Storm 80-pound cardstock. And then we get one each of the black, the dark chocolate, and the cream. So 4 pieces. Then we get some more of the Tim Holtz Ideology metallic 8x8 craft cardstock papers. This time different colors. These are, instead of the pastel metallics, these are more fall colors. This is like a copper and a gold. And then we get one pair of the Tim Holtz mini snip mini snips. Now, I don't have these. Some people swear by these. These almost look kind of small to me, but I'm so used to using my cutter bee scissors that, I don't know. We'll see if I can use these. Let's see. There we go. Oh, nice little pair. I'll definitely have to try these. So that's everything that comes into this kit. We're going to take a look at the limited edition kit in just a second. Okay, so this is the Simon Says Stamp limited edition Stamptember kit. When I saw this, I ordered it right away. I thought it was adorable, and it's all birthday themed, which is perfect for me because I always need to make birthday cards. So let me pull everything out here. Obviously, I've already opened this and kind of looked at everything. Can't let my lollipop fall on the floor. So I got a lollipop, and of course I got one in my regular kit too. So let me just kind of put everything out. This, I don't think this one has a sheet that gives you information on everything you got. Doesn't look like it, but that's okay. Looks like I got 3 pieces of cardstock. I got one in a blue. I believe this is Audrey blue. And then 2 of this one's like 120 pound. I bet this is 100 pound white cardstock. And I've got some envelopes, the usual envelopes. These are, of course, peel and stick as usual. This is metallic, I believe Audrey blue. I think this is Schoolhouse red, and again, a white one. I've got one of the foam adhesive scissors, foam adhesive sheets permanent. Now, my last time trying to use this did not go well, so I might try this again and see. I tried to die cut from it, and an intricate die, and that didn't go well, but that was my fault. So I will try this again. Then you get one of this small Celebrate 3x3 stencil. It says balloons. It's very cute. Balloons and little squiggly, like celebration squigglies, and that would probably go well with this glitter gel. This is Gina K Designs Glitz glitter gel, and it's in a pinkish red color. Let's see what color it's actually says it is. Oh, bubblegum. Yes, definitely. Bubblegum. And they give you a palette knife so that you can apply that. Then we've got one of the Sweet Birthday, this is 6x8 stamp set. Lots of cute birthday sentiments and pictures. It's your birthday, happiest birthday to you. Let's celebrate. Celebrating you. Have a magical birthday, your special day for you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. You can make a rainbow stamp. Sorry, my phone just cut out. That's the stamp set, 6x8 stamp set, Sweet Birthday. Then you get 2 dies here. You get one is the palette, the art palette die. I bet you've seen some images of this online. Looks like you can cut this out, and then you can cut a different color to go in here. I'm looking forward to using that. And then this is the Let's Celebrate die. So you have your words, let's celebrate, and then of course you've got the shadow. I can't even talk. She's shadow for that. So just got to snip that apart right there to use that. Then we've got this paper, double-sided paper. I believe this is from Hero Arts, not Hero Arts, sorry, Honeybee. This is from Honeybee Stamps. And I think I said that right. I will double check, but I believe it's Honeybee. Honeybee Stamps. Got a lot of cute rainbows and colors. Pretty bold colors. Anyway. This kind of makes me think of this. Maybe that's why they paired it. Get some more of these foil transfer sheets. 5 of the Rainbow Shattered Glass foil transfer sheets. These came in the kit probably 2 months ago, and they were fun to work with, so I'm looking forward to working with those. Then we've got these Chamel box of crayons, puffy stickers. There's 40 of them. There's all different kinds. There's a little doggy, rainbow, cat, kinds of fun little things there. Get a pack of these confetti, rainbow confetti mix. You get 2 of these, I believe they're like shaker pouches in the shape of a balloon. Mine has a little crease right there, but I guess you just put it on there, and then of course you'd have some stuff in there and you can shake it up. Get a pen, enamel pen. This one says Color the World. Get some ribbon. This is almost like a, it's like a glimmery glitter on red felt. Cute. Some more of the Tim Holtz Ideology metallic paper. We got some of this, like I said, in previous card kits also, and we also got more of it in this month's card kit. These are different colors. These are more of the primary colors. So that's a red, an orange, green, blue, teal, and a purple. And that's it. Wow. I went through it all. So quite a few things. Looking forward to making some birthday cards using this. I'll bring them to you as soon as I can get it done. And of course, I'll bring you the cards using the October 2019 card kit also. Thank you for watching. Look forward to the videos as they come out, and we'll see you next time.